Eto, basahin niyo tong comment na to ni Sir sa YouTube natin. So sabi niya, maggawa pa daw tayo ng more informative video. So eto, tingin natin yung alam and knowledge ng mga staff natin. And even Brother Carl, at tatanungin ko sa'yo.
Ano yan?
In terms of On, kasi yun yung bestseller natin eh, did you know na lahat ng On sneakers natin, one of the ways to determine whether it's a legit On sneakers is merong cloud. May cloud. Kaya siya On cloud, may cloud. Literal na cloud.
Saan?
Sa shoes, bro. May cloud.
May cloud?
May cloud, bro. Eto, tignan natin, guys. Samahan niyo ako. Itong shoes na to, may cloud to. Dapat may cloud to. Ayan, may cloud. Ayan, guys. So, cloud yan.
Ay, hindi, baliktad.
Baliktad ba? Ayan, cloud. Ayan. Cloud 6, cloud tilt. May cloud. Cloud 6. Guys, ito pa yung... paano yung mga collab shoes? Right?
Ayun.
Ito, collab revolve. Forward, revolve. May cloud ba? Hanapin niyo yung cloud. Nasaan yung cloud?
Ayun!
Ayun, no? May cloud. Paano yung mga luwebe? Check natin ito. Kadating lang ito. Cloud Venture. Favorite color ni Carl. Ayan, Meron ba tong cloud? Alisin natin yung plastic.
Sige, alisin natin.
Sige, alisin natin para sa inyo, guys. Ayan, Kita nyo na ba yung cloud?
Hey.
So, we're not saying that that's the only thing that you check in terms of legitimacy and whether authentic yung pair, but it's one of the things na good to know. Right? Now you know.